This is my second YouTube video. Today we're gonna do the
3 marker challenge.
Okay, guys, we're gonna draw Among Us today, and this is my 3 colors: gold, red, and cyan.
These are my colors. Gold,
3 colors.
blue, and green.
All right, let's go ahead and start.
This is our results, and we're done.
Done.
For watching,
Thank you for watching.
and make sure to click the
Subscribe
subscribe button.
button.